So grab your guitar, let's get ready to go, and welcome aboard. Okay, the first thing we got to do is warm up. Now you're going to get a pick. I recommend use a hard pick. Don't use a floppy pick, a pick that bends real easy. Get one of these hard picks. Now, a lot of the video I'm going to be on my hands. You'll see close-ups of my hands because I really want you to see exactly how to do this. So let's get started. All right, if you have an amplifier where you can plug into your guitar, usually has a cord, and the cord plugs in like this into the guitar. Plug it into the amp and set it on a clean tone. And what clean means, where it's not distorted. You want to hear it just like the way the guitar sounds. Later, we're going to add the distortion. Great. So what I want you to do is hold the pick firmly between your thumb and your first finger like this. And you're going to really grip the pick fairly hard. And then once you get that comfortable like this, you're going to pick on the string, and I'm going to come up close. You're going to hold the pick at a slight angle towards, they call this a horn on a guitar, towards that horn. So if you look closely, and then you're going to pick just like this. You'll pick down, up, down, up. Now when you first hit it, sometimes you'll miss the string. You'll kind of go like this. Don't worry about that. Just get the pick where you can go down on the string, which is towards the floor, and then up on the string. And if you're not tuned with me yet, don't worry about it. We're going to tune in a minute. I just want you to start to get warmed up. So pick the string down, up, like that. Once you're comfortable with that, then move to the B or the next string. The strings are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 from the floor, which is the thin string, to the thickest string, which is towards the ceiling. So now we go to string number 2. It's also called the B string. Again, hold that at an angle. Here's the pick. If I was flat, you want to be at an angle like this. Then the G. Then the D, or fourth string. So we do first string. Go over to the second string. Third string, and if you hit the other strings, don't worry about it. Just get warmed up. Fourth string. Generally, when you pick up, which is the weakest, that's where the string hits the top part or this part of the pick, the part that's faced towards the ceiling. But get that going, then go to the A, then go to the low, thick E. So you got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. E, B, G, D, A, E. Or Elvis, low E, always A or fifth string, does, fourth string, good, third string, before, second string, Easter. Elvis always does good before Easter. And then if you can't do it that fast, don't worry about it. Keep it at that angle, hold it like that. Great, once you've done that, warm up, let's go to the next section. Now pick the thin E closest to the floor. And you're going to turn the key, if you turn it clockwise, the string goes lower or down in tone, so it would go from like to an E flat to D. And then if you turn it counterclockwise, it goes up. Or tighter, it tightens the string, it goes higher in tone. And now see, it's in tune, it turns green. Now if I go past the note, it goes to like an F flat or right in between, but you want it to be right on the E, and it will be right in the very center of the arrow. Then we're going to go to the B or second string. Again, this is called the tuning key. This controls the thin E, this controls the B. Your guitar could have a different kind of configuration here, just figure it out. That's the B, and then now that's in tune when it's straight up. Then we go to the G. Try to get it where it mostly stays in the middle on that. And there's also a lot of tuners on the internet too, where you can just tune your guitar to. That's the D or fourth string. So I just did the E or first string, B or second, G or third, D or fourth. Now I'm going to do the A or fifth. And then I'm going to do the low E or sixth. So again, it's thin E, closest to the floor, B or second string, G or third string, D or fourth string, A or fifth string, low thick E or sixth string. Another thing I use is this footrest, and when you're sitting down, it keeps your body in the right position. So you see I put my foot there, and then when we play, with my right foot, you're also going to be tapping. So a lot of times you want to start the tap and get the beat of something, which I'll show you as we go along. So I have my left foot up like this, and let me show you where the guitar is on my body. So the guitar is like this. I've got about a couple inches from the guitar. It's not hitting my leg. We're going to use the guitar strap to actually hold the guitar up. Now, a lot of times you see people playing like this. And I always get questions like, well, why can they play like that? And the thing is that I don't really know, but it's not the right way to play. You really want to play on your left leg, because what we're going to do is play on the tips of our fingers, which I'm going to show you more in a minute.